Dog World. I'm gonna make two. Dog World and Dog. Oh, I'm gonna make a new TV show called Dog World. Exclusive.
Am I skinny?
Yeah, a little. How about you? Yeah, you're not doing much anyhow. Where were you born? Huh? Tell me, or else you're gonna be arrested. I'm the police. I am the police. We have to catch that little dog. Yeah. Yeah. This is the police. Surrender now or go to jail. My sister.
Stop touching me. Lazy, mommy back.
I caught you. I caught you. Ah. Yeah. You. Catch that little puppy. Little poopy dog. Poopy dog. Poopy dog. That's all for today, but that was Dog World.